Hey everyone, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising, where we talk everything cruise and travel related. The Carnival's brand new ship, the Mardi Gras, is back. That's right, I said back. And we're going to talk about it right after this. You'll know, but on Friday, Carnival took possession of their brand new cruise ship, the Mardi Gras. 5,200 passengers, 6 different zones, LNG powered propulsion. It's going to be the most environmentally friendly cruising vessel cruising in North America. Getting ready to start her cruises this April out of Port Canaveral. But did you know this is actually the second ship to bear that name? The first cruise ship that Carnival ever had was called the Mardi Gras. In 1961 is when she was built, and she was originally called the Empress of Canada before Carnival purchased her in 1972. She spent 20 years sailing for Carnival Cruise Lines before she was retired in 1993, and eventually she went on to be sold for scrap. On her first voyage out, she sailed from the Port of Miami. Now at the time, the Port of Miami wasn't really equipped to handle larger cruise ships. And then at that time, she was a good-sized ship. And so when she pulled out of port on her very first voyage, she drafted too deep and unfortunately ran aground. Not a great start for a brand new cruise line. But if you look at Carnival Cruise Lines today, you can see that never held them back. So as we welcome this brand new ship to the Carnival fleet, let's not forget the past, where that name comes from, and the 20 years of service that the original Carnival Mardi Gras has already given us. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and we're going to see you out on the high seas.